Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to configure a GPG key for your GitHub project so that all your commits are verified, secure and trusted. If you have ever seen that green verified badge next to a commit on GitHub, wondered how to get it? This video is exactly for you. So let's get started. Before we jump into the commands, let me explain quickly what is GPG key and why it is important. A GPG key allows you to digitally sign your commits. This proves that you are the real author. Nobody tampered with your code. GitHub uses this key to verify your identity and mark your commits as verified. It boosts your project's trust and is especially important for open source contributor, team working on enterprise projects, and developers who want to secure commit history. Whatever the commands I will use in this video tutorial, I will share them in the description of the video for your reference. Alright, let's create the key now. On most Linux systems, GPG is already installed. If not, then we have to install it, the package. The package name is gnupg. As we are using Ubuntu, so we will be using apt command. Then the command sudo apt install gnupg. As you can see, the package is already installed. Next, generate the GPG key. There are two ways to do it. One is interactive, another option is non-interactive. Let's try the interactive first. For that, we can run the command gpg space hyphen hyphen full generate hyphen key. Hit enter. Choose one here. Size for the key is 4096. Type 0 to set the expiry for the key as never. Choose Y. Type the real name. Let's say Pradeep Kumar. Enter the email address. This will be the same email address that you are using on your GitHub account. For comment, you can leave as blank and hit enter. Type caps O. Enter the passphrase for your key. Then click OK. Output confirms that key has been generated. In order to generate a GPG key without passphrase and non-interactive, for that you can run this command. Alright, next list the keys, whatever the GPG key you have generated. For that you can run this command. Alright, this is the key which we have generated. This is the GPG key ID. We will use it later to configure Git to use this GPG key. Next, export the public key using the gpg-key-id. Run the command. Copy this public key block. Go to your GitHub account. Under GitHub accounts, go to settings. Under SSH and GPG key section, scroll down, you will get this GPG key section here. Click on new GPG key. Paste the public key content here. Give the title for your GPG key. Click on add GPG. This confirms that GPG key has been added successfully. Next, head back to the terminal and configure Git to use your GPG key. Using the git command, we will tell Git which key to use. Get the GPG key here. This is the one. This command will instruct Git to use the key whose ID is this one to sign the commits. This command will instruct Git to always use GPG sign key for all the commits. Similarly, if you want to enable the GPG signing key for your tags, copy this command and run this one as well. Till this point, our configuration setup is completed. Now we can make a test commit to one of my repo, and then we'll see whether that commit is verified on my GitHub account. For the reference, I have already cloned a repo with the name automation-code. Let me edit this readme file here. Save and close the file. Run git add dot. Now commit the change using git space commit name. Commit message is testing gpg key setup. It is prompting me to specify the passphrase that I have set for my key. To specify the same passphrase, click OK. Now push the changes to the repo, run the command git push origin main. Hit enter. Output confirms that my changes has been pushed to this automation-code repo. Alright, now go to your GitHub account, select your repo. In our case it is automation-code. We have commit this change, testing GPG key setup. And if you go on the history, see, this is verified. This confirms that our commit is signed using the GPG key, and it's verified on my GitHub account under this repo. And that's it. You have successfully configured a GPG key for your GitHub project. If you have found this video helpful, make sure like, comment and subscribe for more DevOps, Linux and cloud tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.